A charming tiny tourist town called Goreme is located in one of the valleys in the Cappadocia region. Here you'll discover a good selection of cafes and restaurants along with low-cost and mid-range hotels. If you don't have a car, it's undoubtedly an excellent option because you'll witness the enchanted Cappadocia countryside all around you. Although it can be crowded in the heat of the summer, the spring and fall season is really nice. Since Goreme is the tourism hub of Cappadocia, there are a variety of hotels to select from, including real cave accommodations as well as man-made structures with upscale or basic amenities. However, reserve your lodging in advance for the height of the summer because Goreme is popular. Goreme is a great destination to stay the night if you depend on public transportation, have a tight budget, and don't mind the touristy atmosphere. The Goreme Open Air Museum, located just outside the center, is the largest and most impressive site in the Cappadocia region. This magnificent group of churches from the 14th and 15th century is now a recognized UNESCO World Heritage Site. Even while you might purchase audio guides and read books about the history, I strongly advise traveling with a licensed local guide. They are familiar with the background of each church, what it stood for, and most significantly, the significance of the biblical frescoes that decorate the interiors of the buildings. The most popular activity is to get up early and take a hot air balloon flight. The aviation authorities assess the wind speed and conditions every morning, and the pilots underwent a lengthy training and required a license. All flights are grounded if they decided not to give the green signal, so be sure that you're in a safe hands.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
The Open Air Museum, which is the showpiece of the Goreme region, is built around a collection of stunning churches that were here from the Cappadocian cliffs somewhere between the 14th and the 15th century. The location is stunning, and the architect's sheer daring is enough to make you gasp. But the real treasures are found inside chapels like El Malik Elise and Azize Barbara Apelli, where astounding Christian-themed murals are found. If you're staying in town or a mile or so east of Goreme, you can quickly visit them. 3 different sorts of trips are offered by local travel agents. For first-time tourists, the green and red excursions are the best options for visiting underground cities and valleys like Aylara. Take a lot of pictures too, because it's difficult to describe the scenery in Goreme and Cappadocia to your friends back home. For them to believe you, they must see the pictures. Every time we returned, Goreme exceeded our expectations, and we have never encountered someone who disapproved of the place. So when you travel to Cappadocia, be sure to include it on your bucket list.